Welcome to today's Nifty Path. My name is Rohit Singre. Let's start the today's analysis with Nifty again. Again, it was the mildly negative week for the Nifty and both the indices. Not a Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank has seen some more traction, but Nifty was underperforming throughout the week. Let's look at what we can see in the upcoming week. So I think going forward, Nifty is trading in the ascending channel. If you can see, sorry, ascending triangle, if you can see. Let me draw the ascending triangle first. Okay, so this is the ascending triangle which is formed in the Nifty last week, and it's trading in the same way, and right now the closing has been seen near the lower band of the ascending triangle, which means that we may see some more traction going forward if the current levels are held. So which means, in short, again, we have been witnessed that few of the session 15,600 was acting a fantastic support. So going forward also, the 15,600 will be a make or break level for Nifty. Until unless we are trading above 15,600, the structure will be positive, and let's say if we see some traction around this level, we may head to fresh breakouts from the ascending triangle. Ascending triangles are the continuation pattern, which means that we may, once we see a breakout above 15,900 odd levels, which is the breakout zone, then we may see 16,100 200 levels quickly in the Nifty. So on the downside 15,600, and on the higher side 15,900. So this 300 point range has been, the stringent rate, one can say. We need to see for the coming week also. Once we sustain above 15,900, then we may see a very good move towards 16,100 200 odd levels. Same on the downside, until unless we are trading above 15,600, the structure is very good, the structure is positive, and we may see a very good move towards 15,900, but the range is 15,600 15,900. Either side breakout will decide the final direction for the Nifty. So that's the analysis for the Nifty. Now let's look at the Nifty Bank also. Again, for the Nifty Bank too, it has given the symmetrical triangle breakout. That is the positive sign. If I'll remove this stuff, again there would be, if you can see, there is one more ascending triangle pattern is going on. uh, and again the prices are near, hovering near the supports of the ascending triangle, which may hints that it has formed the sort of hammer pattern also, which hints that if these levels are held, let's say 34,800, 34,600, 500 are the fantastic supports for the Nifty Bank. So if these levels are held, we may witness some sort of a swift move towards, in the Nifty Bank, towards 35,700, 800, which are the strong hurdle on the higher side, and the fresh breakouts. Once we sustain above 35,800, we may see a fresh breakouts in the Nifty Bank throughout the ascending triangle. So I think the structure for the Nifty Bank is still not bearish, but again, it is on the make or break level, one can say, for both the indices. If we bounce from this level, then we may see some sort of more bullishness in the the some of the next sessions. So I think both these indices has the positive structure, not the negative one. Both the indices are trading near fantastic supports, so let's hope for the best. We may see a good traction, a positive traction in both the indices, but again one need to keep a radar on the levels which I mentioned. ठीक है, तो उस पे ध्यान रखना. ठीक है, now let's look at the sector analysis. Not the wow factor has been seen in the sector, but again, like I said, some of the sector that we can keep a radar on. So that's the first sector which is on my radar is the Nifty Metal. Nifty Metal, though Nifty was underperforming throughout the week, Nifty Metal has not seen much sort of correction, and it has seen some sort of bounce rather. So I think if you can see in here, Nifty Metal, it's on verge from to give breakout from the its symmetrical triangle, one can say. Okay, so this is the symmetrical triangle it's been trading in. So I think once we see breakout about, let's say, 5315 odd levels, we may see a very good traction in the metal space. So Nifty Metal is on my radar. It's on the verge of breakout. Once we see a breakout, we may see a good traction, which means that it will 5315 will act as a strong hurdle too. So once we see a breakout, once we see a proper close above this line, then we may see a we can say that breakout is happened. Now, which are the stock that one can keep a radar on? The first stocks which comes to my mind is the Tata Steel. Tata Steel looks fantastic at the moment. If you can see here, breakout has been seen. Just a minute, let me remove all stuff. So breakout has been seen from in the Tata Steel. If you can see, previous breakout was volume was good. Again retested. Again on Friday session, it has showed a very good volume. So which means that the structure is quite positive until and unless immediate support. I'm talking about 1180. 1180. Those who are holding longs in Tata Steel, they can trail their stop loss to 1180 on closing basis. Until unless we are trading above 1180, we may see more traction towards 1300. So 1180 will be trailing stop loss for those who are holding Tata Steel. The another stocks which is on my radar is the Vedanta. If you can see in here, Vedanta, again, it has previously, it has given the breakout. Let me draw the breakout. Okay, so this was the breakout zone. It has witnessed a breakout. Again, it has retested the breakout zone and started moving up volume, though it's not much visible volume, but yes, stocks can has a positive momentum until unless it is trading about 263 262 odd levels. The structure will be positive until unless Vedanta holding about 263 262 odd levels, and we may see some sort of 280 290 odd levels in the near to mid term. Now another stocks which is on my radar, and it's it has taken a fantastic support, one can say. If you can go on the 2 hour chart, you will see that uh, the stock is trading in the symmetrical triangle or triangle, one can say, and it's on bound. It has showed the bounce from lower band of the triangle, which means that we may see some more traction towards this and the fresh breakouts above 690. So I think the JSW still will be the another stocks that one need to keep a radar on. 660 will be the stop loss for those who are holding already JSW still. So I think metal stocks can see some traction in coming week once when we see a breakout above that particular level. So another space that is on my radar is the Nifty Pharma. Again, last week also we have discussed the Nifty Pharma, and we have been witness that some after some sort of profit booking, it has taken a very good support and showed the positive candle. So I think the structure is again still positive for the Nifty Pharma, and pharma space will be on my radar for the coming week again. Now the first stocks which is on my radar for in the pharma space is the Glenmark Pharma. Glenmark Pharma has seen a fantastic retest structure. uh, देखो यहाँ पर last time breakout happened, again retested, again breakout happened, again retested, again small breakout happened, and again it got retested. So I think the structure is quite positive until unless we are trading above 645 odd levels. The structure will be positive. Those who are holding lane are definitely they can hold so for the target of 700 720 with keeping stop loss below 645. The another stocks which is on my radar and has seen some sort of breakout also, which is Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma again has been seen, the ascending triangle breakout, one can say. If you can see in here, so the breakout is happened, volume is decent. So I think it has a positive structure until unless it is holding about 2950, which will be the trailing stop loss for the Torrent Pharma. For those who are holding and those who want to buy, they can keep the stop loss of 2900, and we may see the traction towards 3100 3200 in the near term. So Torrent Pharma will be another pick. The another one in the pharma space will be Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab has seen a flag breakout, if you can see. So this is the flag, yes. So this is the flag breakout has been seen, volume is decent. So until unless it is trading above 4480 odd levels on the immediate basis, the structure is positive. We may see 200 300 points up more in the Divi's Lab. So Nifty Pharma will be the another space that one can keep a radar on. Now let's look at the stock specific action. The first stocks which is on my radar is the Jindal Poly. Let me see. So Jindal Poly has seen a fantastic breakout. Again, the ascending triangle breakout has been seen. If you can see in here, now let's look at in here too. And look at the fantastic volume activity has been seen at the time of breakouts, which means that again the stop losses are deep for the Jindal Poly. Those who are holding, they can keep their trailing stop losses at 910. Those who don't have Jindal Poly, they can keep their stop losses at 860, and any dips will be again buying opportunity. So 865 850 865 will be a final stop loss for the Jindal Poly, and we may see more traction towards 1000 levels on the higher side. So Jindal Poly will be the first stock that I will keep a radar on. The another stock is the VTL, which is Vardhaman Textile. Again, this stock has been seen has witnessed the fresh move above its previous swing high. And look at the volume is increasing along with the candle. So I think this structure sort of I love this sort of structure. So I think until unless it is trading above 1420 or let's say 1400, which will be the broader stop loss, and the final stop loss will be 1350. So 1400 1350 are the fantastic level to accumulate, or those who are holding, they can keep their trailing stop loss as 1450. And we may expect the 1600 1700 odd levels on the higher side. So VTL again, the another stock that one can keep a radar on. And the last stocks I want to discuss here is the Suntech. Again, Suntech has been seen a fantastic breakout. If you can see in here, the volume activity has been tremendously strong. Now the another for immediate resistance is this, and once we cross above this level, then a fresh move can be witnessed towards 400 zone. Those who are holding, definitely they can hold. So those who want to buy, definitely they can wait for dip somewhere around 315, which is the immediate support, and the stop loss for the trade would be 300. So 315 would be the accumulation zone. Those who are holding, they can hold for 345 350 levels on the immediate basis on the higher side. And once we cross above that level, 400 would be the target. So I think we have discussed Nifty Bank, Nifty Metal, Nifty Pharma, Suntech, Jindal Poly, and the VTL. So these are the stocks, the sector that one can keep a radar on for the coming week. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay healthy.